हेलो गाइस, ये माफती कोचिंग की तरफ से है और मैं आपको बताना चाहती हूँ कि आप माफती कोचिंग को फॉलो करें, सब्सक्राइब करें। बीबीए बीकॉम के लिए जितने भी अपडेट्स हैं आपको मिलते रहेंगे। तो आइए हम आंसर की तरफ देखते हैं। ये सेट डी है, लेकिन आपको इसमें घबराने की ज़रूरत नहीं है क्योंकि बाकी सारे सेट के क्वेश्चंस के सिर्फ अरेंजमेंट इधर उधर है। तो देखिए, पहला क्वेश्चन है, इफ़ आई डैश यू आई वुड एक्सेप्ट द ऑफर। इफ़ आई वर यू होगा आंसर। ठीक है, चूज द करेक्ट ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन। ही इज टू वीक टू वॉक, सही है बी। ही इज सो वीक दैट ही कैन नॉट वॉक। आइडेंटिफाई द एरर। वन ऑफ माई फ्रेंड इज कमिंग टूडे। वन ऑफ माई फ्रेंड इज कमिंग टूडे की एरर है फ्रेंड। ठीक है, नेक्स्ट है, चूज द करेक्ट सेंटेंस। इसमें करेक्ट सेंटेंस है बी, द सीनरी हियर इज ब्यूटिफुल। फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन है, चूज द करेक्ट वर्ड। ही हैज अ स्ट्रॉन्ग डैश टू सक्सीड। इसका आंसर है डिटर्मिनेशन। If the mean of ABC is x and AB plus BC plus CA is 0, then the mean is third 3x square. If a number x is 10% less than another number y and y is 10% more than 150, then x would be क्या? इसका आंसर है C. Next, by selling a bicycle for 3,000 rupees, a shopkeeper gains 20%. If the profit is reduced to 8%, then the selling price would be 2,700. Okay, next, the ratio of income वाला जो क्वेश्चन है उसका करेक्ट आंसर है बी। 10th का क्वेश्चन जो है, द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू नंबर्स इज 192 and the sum of these two number is 28. What is the smaller of these two numbers? इसका आंसर है, लेट्स सी, इसकी आंसर है ए। ठीक है, नेक्स्ट 11th, द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द प्रेजेंट एजेस ऑफ रवि एंड अमित इज 24 years. 8 years ago the ratio of their ages was 5:7 respectively. What is Amit's present age? इसका आंसर है बी। A and B can do a piece of work in 12 days, B and C in 8 days, and C and A in 6 days. How long would A take to do the same work alone? It's A. A person travels 285 km in 6 hours in two stages. In the first part of the journey, he travels by bus at the speed of 40 km per hour. In the second part of the journey, he travels by train at speed of 55 km per hour. How much distance did he travel by train? Answer is B. A man can row upstream at 10 km per hour and downstream at 18 km per hour. Find the man's rate in still water. Answer is A. How many kilometers of sugar costing rupees 9 per kg must be mixed with 27 kg of sugar costing 7 rupees per kg, so that there may be a gain of 10% by selling the mixture of at rupees 9.24 per kg? The answer is D, 63 kgs. Okay, next, the compound interest on a certain sum of 4 years at 10% per annum is rupees 1050. The simple interest on the same sum for the double the time at half the percent per annum is answer A. If each side of rectangle is increased by 150%, its area will increase. Answer है C. 18th question देखा जाए, what will be the day of the week on 18th December 2030? Answer is D. At 3.20, the hour hand and the minute hand of the clock form an angle of A, 20 degree. In how many different ways can the letter of the words total be arranged? Answer is B, 60. Find the odd man out. ठीक है, आंसर इज ए, point. Okay, now, pointing to a photograph of a boy, Rajesh said, he is the son of the only son of my mother. How is Rajesh related to that boy? Answer is D. If a person is facing south and turn 90-degree clockwise and then 90 degrees counterclockwise and finally 180 degrees clockwise, which direction is he facing right now? It's north. A. 24th question, in a certain code, monkey is written as this. How is hippopotamus written in that code? The answer is B. Carbon is to diamond, so corundum is to, answer is B, ruby. In 26th question, we have an answer that is C. ठीक है? Now, moving forward, in 27th question, arrange the following words in a logical and meaningful order is B. ठीक है? Now, 28th statement, conclusion 1, conclusion 2, the correct answer is D. Neither the conclusion 1 nor 2 follows. 29th question, Rajiv sold a radio. Its answer is A. 2424 rupees. Next, the ratio of the copper to zinc in alloy wala question has an answer of C. 31st question, which of the following countries has reduced UN contribution due to discrimination? Answer is C, Israel. The central government issued instruction to link the mobile numbers of all existing mobile phone users in the country with which form? Answer is C, Aadhaar card. Which city is the venue of 6th National Crop Nutrition Summit of 2026? The answer is B, Mumbai. For this hydropower project, the answer is A. In 35 question, Prashad scheme was launched by which ministry? Ministry of Tourism. Answer C. What is the name of the recent initiative launched to demolish memorials associated with Naxal ideology? Answer is C. Operation Red Shield. Which country is the host of 52nd G7 Summit 2026? Answer is C. France. On which day World Post Day celebrated every year? Answer is D. 9th October. Next, okay. 39th question, government of which country has recently decided to abolish reservation in government? Answer is B. Which Indian state has least literacy rate? Bihar. Who became the youngest Asian squash player to enter the world top 20? The answer is B. Anahat Singh. Project Himang operates primarily in which region of India? Answer is A. Ladakh. Which military paramilitary force recently planned to induct this? The answer is A. Assam Rifle. Which of the three banks will be merged with the other two to create India's third largest bank? Answer is A. Bank of Baroda. What is the name of the weak zone of the Earth's crust? Answer is A. Seismic. The world's nation 5G mobile network was launched by which country? Answer is C. South Korea. 47th question. The green planet in the solar system is B. Uranus. What is the name of the first Indian woman who wins the Man Booker Prize? Answer is B. Arundhati Roy. 49th question. Which of the following is not true regarding the payment of emoluments of the president? Answer is C. They are charged on the contingency fund of India. Which of the following organization publishes the World Development Report? Answer is B. World Bank. What does GDP stands for? A. Gross Domestic Product. Which of the following is a primary sector activity? C. Agriculture. What is the currency of India? B. Rupee. Who regulate the banking system in India? B. RBI. What is inflation? Answer is B. Increase in price. Which of the following is a private sector bank in India? C. HDFC Bank. What is the full form of SEBI? Answer is A. Securities and Exchange Board of India. Which organization conducts the census in India? Answer is C. Government of India. What is demand in economics? Answer is B. Quantity desired at a given price. Which sector is known as a service sector? Answer is C. Tertiary. What is the main objective of monetary policy? Answer is B. Control inflation and stabilize currency. Which tax is levied on goods and services in India? Answer is B. GST. What is fiscal deficit? Answer is B. Total expenditure exceeds income. 64th question. Which institution is responsible for issuing currency in India? Answer is B, RBI. Next, what is disinvestment? Answer is B, selling government stake in public enterprises. What is stock market? Answer is C, market for buying and selling securities. Which of the following is an example of indirect tax? Answer is C, GST. What does liberalization mean? Answer is B, reducing government control. What is the full form of FDI? Answer is A, foreign direct investment. What is a budget? Answer is A, plan of income and expenditure. Which of the following best defines stagflation? Answer is C, high inflation with low growth. The Phillips curve represents the relationship between A, inflation and unemployment. Which body placed the Planning Commission in India? B, Niti Aayog. Coming towards 74th question, what is repo rate? Answer is B, rate at which RBI lends to bank. What does balance of payment include? Answer is C, all economic transactions with the rest of the world. Which market structure has a single seller? Answer is B, monopoly. What is crowding out in economics? Answer is B, reduction in private investment due to government borrowing. Which of the following is not a function of RBI? Answer is C, controller of stock exchange. What is capital market? Answer is B, market for long-term funds. Which indicator is used to measure income inequality? Answer is C, Gini coefficient. Choose the correct synonym of happy. Answer is B, joyful. Choose the correct antonym of early. Answer is A, late. Coming towards 83 question. Fill in the blanks. She dashed to school every day. Goes. Answer B. Identify the correct sentence. Answer is C. He doesn't like tea. Choose the correct plural form of child. Answer is C. Children. Choose the correct preposition. She is afraid dash dogs. Answer is B. Of. Identify the part of the speech of the word quickly. Answer is D. Adverb. Choose the correct synonym of abundant. Answer is B. Plentiful. Choose the correct antonym of expand. Answer is C. Contract. Fill in the blanks. He has been working here dash 2015. Answer is B. Since. Identify the error. Each of the students have completed their work. Answer is C. Have. Moving towards 92 question. Choose the correct indirect speech. He said, I am tired. Answer is B. He said that he was tired. Choose the correct idiom meaning break the ice. Answer is B. To start a conversation. Choose the correct article. Dash sun rises in the east. Answer is C. The. Choose the correct sentence. Answer is B. Neither of the boys is present. 96th question. Choose the word closest in the meaning to ephemeral. Answer is C. Short lived. Choose the antonym of meticulous. Answer is C. Negligent. Fill in the blank. Hardly had he reached the station dash the train left. B. When. Identify the correct sentence. Answer is B. No sooner did he arrive than it started raining. 100th question. Choose the correct meaning of the idiom spill the beans. Answer is B. Reveal a secret. तो आगे जानने के लिए और अपडेट लेने के लिए माफती कोचिंग से जुड़े रहें. हमें सब्सक्राइब करें, फॉलो करें एंड जितना हो सके इसे शेयर करें. बाकी अगले एपिसोड में मिलते हैं. शुक्रिया.